Corresponding question, sketch the resultant EMF wave for two pole three phase balance winding. Okay, first of all make two pole three phase balance winding. Okay, now this one is a stator. Okay, and this one is rotor. Okay, here north pole and that is south pole, two pole machine like this one, and three phase. Okay, if this is A and that is A dash. Okay, after 120 that is B. If this is A dot polarity, that is also dot B, and this is cross B dash. After 120 that is C dot and that is C dash. Okay, what about winding? Like, consider each belt of winding as a current sheet of uniform current density. Uniform current density means that is uniformly distributed winding. What is the meaning of this one? Means like this one, all winding are distributed, that's why. And this is also make like this one, and this is also make like this one. Okay, phase is spread, that is 120, this is 120. Okay, phasing. What was phase is spread? Side is equal to 60 degree. Okay, now written as three phase balance armature winding, armature current. First, armature current IA, this is equal to Im cos omega t. You can also take cos or sine. Okay, magnitude wise current same and phase and frequency is same, that's why, but say phase shift is different. 120 minus omega t or omega t minus 120, both are same thing. Im in cos 120 plus omega t. Okay, now but corresponding to the question, when phase A carries Im current, now at any instant Ia this is equal to Im, means that is Im cos omega t, means omega t this is equal to 0 degree. At that time, what about IB? IB is written as Im cos 120 minus 0, it is minus Im by 2. And what about IC? IC is also minus Im by 2. Clear? So finally we got this conclusion. Ia this is equal to, when Ia this is equal to Im, what about IB? Minus Im by 2. And what about IC? This is also written as like this one. Okay, now make MF diagram with the help of this one, and also let turn per phase, that is capital N. Okay, now machine is open at this point. Okay, now this machine represent like this one, means A dash, C, B dash, A, C dash and B. At balance winding, cross dot cross dot cross dot. Clear? Now B, first of all take C dot, and this is cross. Now I know that if IM minus IM represent like this one, it means actual IM like this one. Okay, means IC this equal to minus IM by 2. IC this equal to minus IM by 2. IC this equal to minus IM by 2. Okay. Okay. Means if IC is written as plus IM by 2, means what about direction? Direction is change like this one. Okay. And also written, if IC is written as IM by plus IM by 2, so direction is written as, if this is crossed, it means that is dot. So cross and this is dot. Clear? Similarly, what about B? B dash and B. B dash represent cross and actual dot. But what about IB? IB is written as IB by 2, IB by 2, sorry, IM by 2, and this is minus IM by 2. If you want to written as IB this be equal to plus IM by 2, it means what about sign? Sign is change. It is dot and this is cross. So B dash polarity this one and this one. Okay, B dash dot polarity converted cross. At when IA this be equal to, our motto, draw the MMF, draw the resultant MMF diagram when IA this be equal to IM. At that time IB and IC like this one, that time represent polarity of A dash, B dash, C dash like this one. With the help of this conclusion, we draw MF diagram. Okay. Resultant MMF. When IA this be equal to IM and IB this be equal to minus IM by 2 and IC this be equal to minus IM by 2. Now I know that I have already discussed in concept cross polarity represent positive and dot polarity represent negative. Now starting, this is distributed winding, uniformly distributed winding. This is uniformly distributed winding. That's why this is cross, number of turn N. What about MMF? It is also first of all written as, that is IM by 2, IM by 2, IM by 2 and IM by 2. Like this one, IM, so N into IM, MMF. After that, NIM by 2, it means it represent like this one, that is n Im by 2. After that n Im by 2, sorry, cross, that is cross, that's why. Now this is dot polarity, it means negative. And this is dot Im, so represent like this one, another dot, and this is Im by 2, that is n Im by 2. It means that is cross n Im by 2. Okay, it is clear? Here n Im by 2, that is n Im, and this is n Im by 2. Clear? Now finally draw at neutral axis. So n Im by 2, n Im by, and okay, it is clear. N Im by 2, this is n Im, and that is n Im. Okay, and total 2 NIM. Make it. Okay, this is the resultant MF diagram when IA this equal to Im and IB this equal to minus Im by 2 and IC this equal to minus Im by 2. Draw it. What about peak value? Peak MMF, that is NIM. Make it.